With grief, she cuts like a knife. Make you do things that no others could do. She turn a professor into a fool. Oh, she ain't hard to get, the girl gets around. Those that she met, they're destined to drown. She make a change like you never believe. She turn a working man into a thief. Oh, she's Erica. She's Erica.
Hi guys, welcome back to Erica Rhennae 101 and listen. It has literally been about 2 to 3 weeks since I have picked you guys up, and I am so sorry, but I've been just super swamped with work and just everything else. But I am back and I'm better. So first of all, let me tell you guys, Merry Christmas. It is literally Christmas Day. And I just wanted to start off by showing you guys some of the things I got from Shein. And where else did I go? HomeGoods. I went to HomeGoods. So I got some stuff I want to show you. And then let's get into this Christmas festivities, y'all. So hang tight. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. So let's go ahead and get into the first thing I got. Y'all, I am just super excited with Shein. And like, honestly, this is my first order I have placed with them. Because I know a lot of people say it's hit or miss. But y'all, I hit it. I hit it on the nail with the stuff I got. So let me go ahead and show y'all these fire, classy, vintage shoes, y'all. Heels. Y'all. These are so freaking cute. The heel is not too tall. Nice and dainty. I love these statement pieces right here, y'all. Because I don't like when it looks like kind of cheap. But this looks so good, y'all. Like, literally, I cannot wait to style these. They are so cute, y'all. And then I love like that deep wine color. They also had these in like, I think a nude and a black. And another color. I can't remember what the other color was. But I was in love when I saw these burgundy deep wine. Oh, gosh. So cute. I cannot wait to wear these. So y'all, don't freaking go run and get these. Like, they're on Shein. They're so cute and they're super affordable. I don't even remember how much they cost, but I don't even think they were $30. I don't even know. But I did catch my Black Friday sale. I will say that. But y'all, these are so cute. Like, seriously. I can't wait to wear them. But y'all, let me not ramble too much on them shoes because I'm obsessed. Let's move on to the next thing we got. So I also got this nice purse. Sorry for the noise, y'all, because I didn't unwrap anything. So this is, I guess you could call my Christmas gift to myself, treating myself, and there is nothing wrong with that. So I got this nice cheetah print looking bag, and it does have a longer strap. It's just wrapped up inside of it. It's super cute. It's enough space to like put your phone. If you have any lip gloss or something you want to put on to your wallet, there is enough space for it in here. It's so cute. So this is the chain. It does have a long chain that goes with it too. You can make it shorter or longer. And I just thought it was super cute because y'all know the cheetah print is definitely coming back into style. And I have just been loving it, y'all. So this is the purse. So cute. So cute. So y'all, I think this came in like another color as well. I think it was red in like a a lighter cheetah print as well. So, but I really liked that subtle looking cheetah print. So y'all, go over there and grab that too. Go over there and grab that too. So I got another shirt from Shein. And I wanted it to go with those heels I got. But I feel like this one isn't as dark as the heels actually are, because I thought it was going to be a little darker. And it's actually a wraparound shirt, so you guys really won't be able to tell how this looks. But I will put it, everything that I'm saying about is going to be in the link down below, so you can kind of go check it out yourself, kind of see how it really looks. But it kind of wraps around your front and then your back and then the back around again. So yeah, I don't know. I don't think I'm going to wear this with the wine colored shoes because it's a little bit off. But it's still cute. When I tried it on, it was really cute. I loved it. So, yeah. Yes. And I also needed some bedroom slippers. So, we got some bedroom slippers as well. And I'm cheetah printed out. I'm just cheetah printed out. So y'all, these were really, really affordable as well. And they're really soft. Like, this cushion part is so soft. And it's like, it's just really soft. And this part too, because I really am really funny about certain sandals that have this, that go between the toes, because it always seems to hurt. But this one is really soft and like mesh. So yes, I definitely recommend these as well. And I normally wear a size 8.5, but I got these, I think, a size up. Because I did hear that Shein kind of runs small. So I got them in the size 40, 41. But yeah, guys, they are super cute and dainty as well, just for around the house. And I got some cute little earrings. They're already right here, so let me just grab them. Y'all, I love Shein. And y'all, I don't know if I said this already, but this was actually my first order with Shein. Yes, I'm late, very late, but I just kept hearing mixed reviews with it, so I didn't know if I really wanted to try them out or not, because I'm an Amazon girl. But for the first time, I'm in love so far. But these are the gold earrings I got. I don't know if you guys can really see them. I hope you can, because I got the light right behind me. But I've been really into like the real big gold statement pieces lately. But not like the cheap looking gold. But you know what I'm saying. So these are like super cute. And these are big. And then I did try another pair on that were like those. And they weren't heavy. So I also got these cute little heart shaped ones. Like I said, I don't even know if you guys can pick up on this, because of the light is right behind me. Let me see, maybe you guys can see it that way. Yeah, so those ones. What else we got? And I got these ones as well. And I'm hoping, like I said, I'm hoping you guys can actually see it. Okay. And I got this other one. And these ones are going to go with those wine colored shoes as well, because they're really cute and they are wine colored. Let's see, hold on. Hold on, y'all. There we go. There we go. Yes. So, super cute, y'all. I'm in love. So, let's just move on over to our stuff that we got from HomeGoods, because that is what I really want to show you guys as well. So, stay tuned. I'll be right back. Alright, guys. So, I have my stuff from HomeGoods right here. So, y'all, I told y'all I have been really into that wine color, gold color, and cheetah print lately. So, y'all, look what I got from HomeGoods. Hold on, we're going to pour this out. We're going to go ahead and pour that out, because I'm going to use it today anyway. But y'all, if y'all don't get into that cheetah print on there, hold on, let me see if I can get it to focus on it. I guess you can kind of see how it is. But y'all, this is such a cute glass. And honestly, it's like really thick. So I feel like it's like really durable as well. I'm really ready to use it, because I just think I'm really into like chic, aesthetically pleasing type of things in my household. So y'all I love it. So let me just move on. But yes, I love stuff like this. They have stuff like this at TJ Maxx, HomeGoods, Burlington. So if you have any of those stores locally, y'all can go get these type of stuff as well. And I don't need to buy any more wine glasses, champagne glasses, because I have enough. But y'all, this is just so cute. It's just so cute. So let's go ahead and move on to what we have next. And I'm sorry if I keep bending down, but I didn't want to have everything all scattered throughout my room. Wanted it right near me. So I also got this from HomeGoods, because sometimes I host little get-togethers at my home. And y'all, they had these prism shot glasses, and they come in different colors: blue, yellow, orange, green, all those different colors. So let me zoom in. So it's a set of 6 shot glasses, 1.35 ounces. I thought this was just really cute. And like, I always feel like we like do shots and stuff, and I always run out of shot glasses. So I definitely wanted to invest in some shot glasses for everybody. So yeah, so cute, y'all. So cute. But let me go ahead and give you guys a good view of this beautiful vase that I got. It's vintage, it's gold, it has the feathers popping out, y'all. And then the pictures that you're gonna see like right beside it, I ordered those from Amazon, because my bedroom is actually like a green, black, and gold. So y'all, drum roll please for this beautiful area I'm about to show y'all. It's right in the corner because I wanted to kind of have like outfit of the days where my background is kind of cute looking. So y'all, I'm about to show y'all a glimpse of that and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I just showed you guys that area and that's basically what I wanted. I wanted something that would be in my background when I'm showing like my outfit, like today's outfit, my Christmas outfit. So yes, that is the area. It's super cute and chic and I'm loving it thus far. But y'all, so let's go ahead and let you guys know what's on the menu for us here for Christmas. So we're having lasagna, we're doing the seafood crab dip, and it's going to have shrimp in it, scallop, and lump crab meat. So let's go ahead and head in this kitchen and get it going, y'all. Alright guys, so we are getting ready to make this delicious seafood crab dip. I have everything cleaned and cut already. The cheeses that we are going to use is the triple pepper cheese blend, and this has a cheddar cheese with chipotle peppers, Monterey and habanero pepper seasoned, and also mozzarella. I have some diced up peppers, yellow, red, and orange. And I also have some cut up scallops and shrimp in this bowl. I have some clean spinach here, and you're gonna need, of course, some lump crab meat, some Philadelphia cream cheese, some sour cream, and I got some garlic and herb butter. So y'all, the first thing we're gonna kind of do, you wanna make sure that you get your hands clean, your spinach clean, and get everything pretty much cut up. I got some butter on the stove kind of heating up, and I'm just gonna take you guys over there with me. So this amazingly delicious seafood dip is ready for the oven. Guys, when I was layering it and putting it inside of the dish to go in the oven, I thought I was recording, but I was not. I'm so sorry. But I'm going to show you guys the finished product. I'm also going to show you guys the lasagna. But I just wanted to show you how it looks when you're placing it into the oven. So I actually ended up doing two. One for me and one for my mother. So these are going in the oven right now. They're actually waiting on me to get there. So let me get these in the oven. I'll be right back and show you the finished product. Y'all, I'm so happy to be done. You guys just saw a nice glimpse of the lasagna, of this amazingly delicious seafood dip. Like I said, take it with you to a potluck, a family gathering, whatever. It is amazingly delicious. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and just become a part of the family, you know? So it's a vibe over here, as I always say. Guys, look at my nails. I don't even know if I showed you the nails though. She did so good. I absolutely love them. Yeah, guys, so I need to get out of this house. I need to go ahead to my parents' house. I may be able to catch you guys when I get back. It just depends. I know I'm gonna wind down, have me some wine, and kind of sit back a little bit, enjoy me some food. And I know our parents got me some gifts, so I may open those up with you guys. But I will either see you on this one or the next one. If I do not, Happy New Year's, Merry Christmas. And like I said, if you are new here, go ahead and subscribe. And I love to have you here. Welcome to Rhennae 101. Like I always say, it's a vibe over here. I'll catch you guys soon.